When a student is ready to begin a training session, she first needs to open the TNT Reading Players folder. The student can then double-click on his or her selected icon. This will automatically open the TNT Reading Pro system. If a player password was created, the student will need to enter the password and click on OK to start. Let's practice finding the letters A, B, C, D, E. Click on all the lowercase d's. Training will automatically begin with the first program on the training plan list, or if training has already been started, the player will resume training where they left off. A training session is set to a default of 25 minutes. This session time, along with other options, can be customized in the advanced menu. This will be explained in detail in another training video. At the end of an exercise, if the player did not pass, the exercise will be repeated one more time. If the exercise is passed, the player will advance to the next exercise. Congratulations! Look at how many points you earned. The player earns points during each exercise. These points can be displayed at the end of each exercise. Better performance on an exercise equals a higher score. The player can click on the Display Player Ranking button to see how her overall score ranks among other players. However, the player rankings and display of points can be disabled if desired. The player can click on Continue to proceed with training. Training will automatically resume if the player does not click on Continue after a brief period of time. Let's practice finding the letters A, B, C, D, E. Click on all the lowercase d's. When the exercise is repeated, the player will need to try to do better to pass. The player will continue on to the next exercise whether or not they pass the repeated exercise. Once the session time has expired, a rewarding message will appear telling the player that they have completed the training session. This completes this instructional video. The next training video is called Standard Training Part A.